So just basic things with layers. And just for like speed and efficiency purposes, it's good to remember different keyboard shortcuts. There's a couple keyboard shortcuts that really come into play with layers themselves. Now, if you want to create a new layer, it's this little box in the plus icon. So this is the universal icon for new. You'll see this icon turn up in all of your different panels. So like here in Paths, I have a little box with a plus, channels, a box with a plus. So you'll see that again and again. It used to be like a little piece of paper icon, and they changed it several years back to a box with a plus sign. So whenever you see that, that means you're creating something new in that panel. So that's clicking on that is probably like the least efficient way to create a new layer. So typically I use Shift Option Command N, and that creates a new layer quickly. So Shift Option Command N on a Mac, Shift Alt Control N on a PC, and you can start creating lots of new layers like that, or I can undo layers. You can also do Shift Command N. It brings up this new layer dialog here.